This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Martini. Welcome to this immaculate 4-bedroom, 3-bath, pool home in Bristol Park, just waiting for its new owners to enjoy. First time on the market, this beautiful residence is move-in ready and includes new roof installed in February 2024 and recently painted exterior as well. Home features a family-friendly split floor plan with spacious, open great room layout that allows plenty of natural light to fill the space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Wood-burning fireplace and formal living and dining areas are included, too. The incredible kitchen includes granite countertops, breakfast bar, and solid wood cabinetry with plenty of storage. The primary bedroom suite is huge, with plenty of space in the sitting area for a desk, exercise equipment, etc., and a large, private master bath with separate tub and shower. The covered rear patio, and pool with full screen enclosure, lead to an expansive backyard, making this home your ideal retreat, perfect for both everyday living as well as entertaining. Location is ideal and just minutes to dining room. Phillips, restaurant row, shopping, attractions, golf, schools, healthcare options, and all major Central Florida roadways. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.